Hello everyone, in this video, we will learn how to connect the PostgreSQL database to Jupyter Notebook. The first step is to import the necessary libraries. We will use pandas to handle data in tabular format and psychopg2, which helps us connect PostgreSQL with Python. So first we write the command import pandas import psychopg2. Once we run this, these libraries will be available for use. Pandas will allow us to read and manipulate data. Step 2. Connecting to the PostgreSQL. Password. Here, you must enter the password you set while installing PostgreSQL. Host. By default, this is set to localhost, which means the database is running on our own computer. The default port for PostgreSQL is 5432. Once we enter these details and run the command, the connection will be established. If everything is correct, there will be no errors, and we are now ready to interact with our database. First, we define our query. Select star from artist. To execute this query, we use pandas function read SQL and pass our query along with the database connection. This will fetch all the data from the artist table and store it in a variable named artist. After running this, we can check the first few rows of our table using the command artist.head. This will display the first 5 records from the table. Now let us fetch data from another table named album. To do this, we will copy and modify our previous query. Instead of selecting from the artist table, we will now select from the album table. Run this, we will again use album.head to check the first few rows. If everything is correct, we should see our album table displayed. Now that we have data from both tables, we can merge them together. Both tables have a common column named artist ID. This means we can combine them using this column. To merge, we use the pandas function merge. We specify the 2 tables and the column on which they should be merged. In this case, we merge artist and album on artist ID. After running this, we store the result in a new table named merge table. To check if the merging was successful, we use mergeTable.head. This will show the first few rows of our combined data. We can export this table. First, we need to copy the folder path where we want to save the file. Next, we use the command period. We paste the folder path and give a name to our file. Do not forget to add .csv at the end of the file name. To make sure the file is saved correctly, we set index equal to false. This prevents the index column from being added to the CSV file. Once we run this, our data will be saved in the specified location. We can go to the folder and check if the file is there. Finally, after completing all tasks, we should close the connection to the database. To do this, we use connection.close. For confirmation, we print a message saying connection closed successfully. After running this, the connection will be properly closed and we have successfully completed our task. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.